Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast on board the Celebrity Silhouette Cruise. You can see in the room there is a deep sleep magnet that you can put outside of the door. I like this idea rather than a door hanger. Coming around the bathroom to the left, the light is independent from the key card. On a previous cruise, I had to use the key card or put it inside of the slot in order to operate the light. This will go on without the key card attached. See various shelving on the right, holding a hairdryer, potentially extra place for storage, towels, many of them hanging on the side, and a spacious bathroom, I think. I can walk and move around in here, toilet to the side, nothing special, a little bit of shelving and more drawers, more storage space, and a large mirror area. Some plugs at the top for different types of shavers or maybe other items. Spacious shower. This has a glass door that slides both ways and a shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo dispenser. An area to hold other things on this side and handicap accessible features. So nice spacious bathroom. This is an Oceanview room. I got in here on the ship around 1 o'clock. It is now much later. Had a delay with luggage, unfortunately. So recording this later in the day. 2 hooks on the side, one for my hurdy-gurdy necklace and a hat I can put up here, key card, much more. A desk area with some plugs. Unfortunately, these seem to be the only plugs in the room. I have to go all the way from here with an extension cord and wrap it around to charge things near the bed area. There's a desk here. I've laid out some of the things, some papers from earlier today, complimentary chocolate, some ducks that Mandy brought here on the cruise, some of her things laid out, an area here for luggage, and a separate couch area. This may or may not pull out, some art on the wall, also a closet with an okay amount of space, dark inside, no lighting, but 2 sides to hang things. They had some glassware over here. They took it away, and a bag of chips that would cost $5 for a small bag of chips, and this private bar menu. I'm obviously staying away from that, not paying anything for that. So I'll put the laptop on the desk, have some things over here. You could see the double beds or the 2 separated beds. They did separate them before I came in at request. The hurdy-gurdy water bottle from Atlantis and a lanyard. This was one from the Chicago seminars. I think it's very helpful to have a lanyard with you on a cruise ship to hold your cruise card. And we'd see the view outside if it were earlier in the day, but right now it is dark, it is late, so we won't be seeing that. Lights on both sides with the beds, and they brought an extension cord, as I mentioned earlier, to wrap the room. There's also storage space ahead. Can open that. Extra space up here is nice. Looks like some beach towels or perhaps regular towels. Regular towels definitely on this side. Sometimes the life jackets would be up here, but I believe they are under the bed. Some art on this side. We'll move back and get another view of the room. It is nice. It is spacious. It is an ocean view room here on the Celebrity Silhouette. This is a complimentary cruise thanks to MGM Platinum status that I earned with the MGM MasterCard by putting spend mainly with online blackjack play. So a nice comp cruise, a nice hotel room. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from the Celebrity Silhouette.